Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for the camera at the Samsung Galaxy A12. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is about to quick launch the camera. You can do that if you just double tap the power button and you're immediately at the camera without looking for the camera app. So one more time, just double tap the power button and you are immediately at the camera. So what is really awesome here at this tool is also if your phone is on standby. You can just double tap the power button and you're also immediately at the camera without wasting time to unlock the screen and so on and so on. A pretty nice tool. Something else also to work here with the phone, with the buttons is if you're at the camera, you can use the volume up key to take pictures. Very nice and so on. So you can hold your phone like in the past. You can just take pictures here with the button and so on. And pretty cool. And also the same works for videos. So you can start your video here. Oh, I have enabled the flashlight. Let me off it. So you can start also the video with the volume up button and also stop the video with the volume up button. Okay, let's take a selfie now. I want to show you something here, the photos with a selfie, because there's a tool to take easily a selfie without touching the shutter button and so on. For that, just hold your hand like this and you will recognize the hand and will take now, doesn't work, no, and take now a picture by its own. So just hold your hand like this, so hold the palm like this, so in front of the screen, and you will take a picture. Now it works. And so try a bit. So hold your hand like this in front of the camera and you don't have to touch the shutter button and can concentrate on your picture. Okay, the next feature I want to show you is also a bit to concentrate on the picture, because you have a timer here. So that means if you put your phone in a position and make maybe a group picture with many people together, then we have here a timer here at the bar on the top. In the middle you have a timer. If you tap on it, you can set up maybe 2, 5 or 10 seconds. So maybe let's take 2 seconds just to showing you. Then if I tap now here the shutter button, there's a countdown, 2, 1, bam. As you can see, the same with 5 and 10 seconds as well. So a pretty nice tool to concentrate also on a great picture. And as you know, we have more than one camera, and let me show you what you can do with the other ones and how you can switch between them. So this here is the main cam. So if you're on photo and if the 2 3s are marked here, this is the main camera. But in some situation you need also one of the other cams, like in this one here. If you want to take a group picture, not everyone is on the picture, or if you're in front of a large building, not the complete building is on the picture, you can go here to the 3 3s next to, then you have the ultrawide cam. So that means that everyone is now, or more than one, is now here on the group picture. Let me show you the differences. So this is the main cam, and this is the ultrawide cam here, as you can see. The ultrawide cam have much more range, but the quality is not that good like on the main cam. So if you want to take your basic pictures, use always the main cam. Okay, let me show you another cam. So if we are very close to objects, so like 3 or 5 centimeters, the camera cannot really focus, but you can enable another cam here, the macro cam. So for that, just go here on more, go here on macro. So now we've enabled the macro cam, and as you can see, this cam can focus here on our friend. So a nice tool, but this cam have also not that quality like the main cam. It has just 2 MPs. So basically work also here always with the main cam, and just in the case you're very close and the camera cannot focus, work then with the macro cam. Okay, let's go now back here in this position, because I want to show you with my friend the filter option. So for that we will need the magic stick here. So tap on the magic stick, and this is the original picture, and here you can make it a bit more warm, the picture, or make it a bit more cold and so on, or change it in one of the many other opportunities like in black and white and so on. Here, by the way, you can change as well the intensity. It's also pretty nice, and you can have some nice effects on it. And also here, let me go back to the original one. You have here the opportunity to have the face. So that's the beauty filter. No? And if you turn it on here on that position, then you can change now a bit the smoothness and also the jawline. If the face should be a bit smaller, you can put some effects here on the eyes and so on. It doesn't work actually on my friend here, but on real face it works. But to be honest, you don't need that because you're beautiful like you are. So this is the reason why we turn it off. So let me go back now here to the main settings. And I want to show you now some features here as well. Okay, for that we will have here the settings at the camera app. So and here you have a nice point, settings to keep. So, and this is very nice if you use filters or if you want to use filters, because every time if you reopen the camera, you have also removed the filters and so on, and you have to set it up always again. But if you tap here, if you enable this one, you will work also with the filters with the same one you have worked also the last time with. So if you want to make black and white pictures and so on, it keeps going on with black and white pictures for your further photos. And same also here with the camera mode. So if this is also nice if you're shooting often videos. No? Usually if you start a camera, it always starts with photos. But if you enable this one here, it will start then with the last one you have used, and that would be basically then the videos. So a very nice tool here as well. And also for beginners, I would recommend this one, the grid lines here, because then you have some small lines here on the screen, and that will gives you a help for the positions and so on of your objects and subjects and so on. This is also a nice tool. And by the way, the lines, you don't have them on your picture. It is just here on the screen to support you if you shoot your pictures. And the last point, we are already at the last point, is augmented reality, because you can do some funny stuff with the camera as well. If you go here on more, you will have here this point, Deco Pick. So tap on Deco Pick. So now you can do some stuff with your front cam, like some mask here. I don't know if you can see that. You can have this mask. You should really try this. Or you can also scroll down a bit and have some other animals also with noises and so on. And if you want to take a picture, just tap here and you have a picture on the shutter button. And if you want to make a video, just hold the shutter button and you are making a video and so on. And if you stop it, just tap here on the stop symbol and it has stopped. So some nice stuff. So, but you can do also a bit more here at the Deco Mode. If you go here maybe on stamps, what is nice, you can make also here the day, no? When you have shooted your pictures and so on. So in my case, Friday, the 12th of November in 2021. You can make it also smaller, you can turn it a bit and so on. You can also write something here like best friend and so on. Also this you can put on another position. So there are much stuff you can check out there, but I think it's good if you have a look by your own, because you have so many opportunities there you can do there. And yeah, it is a nice point, by the way. Also, if you think it's just for children and so on, but some points are useful, like the date or something like this. If you want to have something in your WhatsApp status and so on and so on. Yeah, this have been the 10 tips and tricks here for the camera for the Samsung Galaxy A12. I hope I could show you some new stuff here for your phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.